This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Great home with easy access to shopping, freeway and LRAFB. Awesome neighborhood with community lake. Nice floor plan on this one with formal dining room and breakfast nook. Bonus room off main suite that could be an office, workout room, nursery or a large closet. Home has been freshly painted. Flooring and microwave only a few years old. Fully fenced backyard with patio area. Refrigerator to convey as is at no value. Hurry, this home won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-7474.